Did you know that sometimes the people meant to fix things are the ones who break down first? Dear Ezra, you came home after 70 years. The king gave you gold, silver, and all the power you needed. Your job was simple: rebuild God's temple. But when you got there, you found something worse than broken stones. You found broken hearts. God's people had married those who didn't believe. They had walked away from their faith. And even though you didn't do any of these things, you tore your clothes, you pulled out your hair, you sat in silence until the sun went down. Because you knew something we forget today. Leaders feel the weight of their people's choices. Your public pain became their private awakening. When you read God's word for hours, thousands wept with you. Their tears of shame turned into tears of joy. You showed us that real change starts when someone is willing to grieve over compromise. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is break down first.